Hello guys, Merry Christmas. It's still your girl again, Chifo, aka Blessing. Welcome to the last episode of Get Glassy with Blessing for the year 2024. Yes, this is the last day of the year 2024 and will be our last episode for this year until we resume again next year. So in today's episode, guys, I just want to thank you for your support, for all my subscribers that have been there for me from the beginning, from when we started at 0 and now we are currently at 167. We want to say a big thank you to all of you. So today I'll be reviewing a product that will help you if you're in a place where winter is very high now. You know, December is winter season. In some area we call it the Harmattan season. So this is the Harmattan season here in Nigeria. In other country we have the winter season. So you know, our skin tends to go through a whole lot of rigor because of the dryness and the weather and all that. It can make your skin to break, to flake, to anything you can call it at all. You know, your skin can go through a lot of rigor this season and you need all the moisture to revive your skin. So I've got a very good moisturizer. So many people have been sending me message to recommend moisturizer that will help firm up your skin and still revive your skin during this period, such that you don't lose that elasticity that your skin needs to, you know, grow itself and glow. So today I've come with a beautiful moisturizer, which is this. You know guys, I love FaceFacts. I've always told you guys I love FaceFacts. I'm going to do a whole review on my faves for FaceFacts. Maybe in the new year I'm going to do a whole lot of review about FaceFacts products. They have varieties. I'm going to tell you my faves in all those their varieties. So today I come with this FaceFacts Body Lotion. This one is the one with collagen. Yes, we all know the essence of collagen on our skin or to our skin. Collagen is that protein that helps your skin to grow. It maintains your skin elasticity, give it its usefulness, and make you have an ageless look. Yes, and it also helps your skin strength so that your skin is firm. It doesn't undergo wrinkle or breakage or sagginess. So this is FaceFacts. FaceFacts have different lotion for this particular type. It has the one with the vitamin C, it has the one with the hyaluronic acid, it has different type, but today I bring this one with the collagen. Yes, now this cream has a lot of collagen in it and ceramide. It also has cetyl alcohol, which is a very good alcohol that will glow and brighten your skin. That is a denatured alcohol. It has a lot of aqua, which is water, and it has a lot of collagen with the hydroxyl collagen. It has tocopherol acetate. It has beautiful ingredients that would nourish your skin, moisturize your skin, firm your skin, revive your skin, and also tone your skin. Yes, if you use this over a long time, say up to 6 months, this would clear, as in it will so exfoliate your skin, clear it, give it this beautiful look and beautiful glow. It will not give you up to 3 shades, guys, but at least it will give you up to 1 or 2 shades, right? This cream is for all skin type, be it sensitive skin, but basically this is for skin that has gone through a lot of stress, right? Say you have a skin that is very dry and you're experiencing so many reactions, say skin sensitivity, maybe your skin is breaking or your skin is aging, then you go for this girl, guys. Yes, this will help revive your skin. Now if your skin is the type that has a lot of large pores, like visible large pores that you can see, you can use this lotion to firm up your skin. Now this also is a good lotion that you can use as your base cream, right? If you want to for those of us that like mixing cream, you know, some of you like to mix 2 or 3 creams together. This is a good base for you because it has a lot of oil in it and it's also moisturizes. It has a lot of water that can help to, you know, maintain that moisture and dewy feeling on your skin. So guys, if you're looking for a good moisturizer that will lighten you, not lighten now guys, it will brighten you, glow your skin, reveal your true glow, moisturize your skin and heal your skin barrier, then go for this. This will help heal your skin barrier. You can use it for face and body. Yes, you can use it on your face. If your face is the type that is already, you are feeling this burning sensation, maybe because you have used some kind of cream that have damaged your face, and right now when you go into the sun you are getting this burning sensation like everything is on fire. This is a soothing and a calming cream. It can help soothe that inflamed sensitized face of yours and also calm it down. But I always advise, whenever you're using any lotion, be it a safe one or the one that has so much ingredients, active ingredient, always pair it with a sunscreen. So I would say go for a good sunscreen. I've done a video where I have talked about a lot of sunscreens that you can use. You can check that on my list and view it. So guys, Tell us if you have used this face pack with collagen, and tell us how has your experience been. If you've seen, if you've used it and it has worked for you excellently, tell us in the comment section. Also, after watching this video, want to know you, want to appreciate you, just drop us an emoji of your choice in the comment section, so we would know that you have watched this video, and we thank you. Until I come your way next year, guys, it's still your girl again, Chief.